This is an alarm panel featuring a 4.3-inch IPS screen, primarily designed for security and alarm protection in homes, small shops, and similar settings. Panel dimensions: length 160 mm, height 100 mm, thickness 14 mm. Located on the right side of the panel is an SOS emergency button. Press it will immediately trigger an alarm. The right side of the panel features a microphone, a power button, a charging port, and a port for an external siren. On the back of the panel, there are mounting holes for the bracket as well as a SIM card slot. The mounting holes incorporate a tamper detection mechanism. If the panel is removed from its mount while still powered on, it will immediately trigger an alarm to prevent malicious tampering. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to receive free alarm notifications via the TuyaSmart or Smart Life apps and monitor the system's status on your mobile phone at any time. It supports up to 100 wireless detectors and 10 remote controls. Please note that the detectors must be compatible with OK 433 MHz EV1527 encoding. Each detector can be configured with different zone attributes, a total of 7 types. Normal, no delay. 24-hour. Delayed. At home. 24-hour silent. At home. Delayed. Disabled. Normal, no delay, and delayed utilize the same zone strategy. Whenever the control panel is in away arm or home arm mode, the triggering of any detector assigned to either of these attributes will cause the panel to sound an alarm. The distinction lies in whether the alarm sounds immediately or waits until the alarm delay countdown has elapsed. These settings are typically used for door or window sensors or perimeter detectors. 24-hour and 24-hour silent utilize the same zone strategy. Regardless of the control panel's current status, the triggering of any detector assigned to either of these attributes will cause the panel to sound an alarm. The distinction here is whether the alarm is accompanied by an audible sound or remains silent. These settings are typically used for emergency detectors such as smoke sensors, gas sensors, fire detectors, and water leak sensors. Home and home delayed utilize the same zone strategy. Whenever the control panel is in away arm mode, the triggering of any detector assigned to either of these attributes will cause the panel to sound an alarm. The distinction lies in whether the alarm sounds immediately or waits until the entry delay countdown has elapsed. These settings are typically used for indoor infrared motion detectors. Disabled signifies that the control panel will not process any alarm signals originating from this specific zone. This setting is typically applied when a detector is currently in a fault or malfunction state. Now, allow me to explain entry delay and exit delay. Entry delay refers to a scenario where a detector is configured with a delayed zone attribute. When this detector is triggered, the main control panel does not sound an immediate alarm. Instead, it initiates a countdown. The panel will only trigger the alarm once this countdown has elapsed, unless the system is disarmed before the countdown finishes. Exit delay refers to the countdown that begins immediately after switching the panel from home arm or disarm mode to away arm mode. This countdown provides time for occupants to exit the premises. Once the countdown concludes, the system fully enters away arm mode. You can control the alarm system mode directly via the control panel, remote control, mobile app, SMS commands, or phone calls.
System armed. System disarmed.
The alarm system offers ample deterrent power. The panel features a built-in 85 decibel siren, and if you feel that isn't sufficient, you can add an extra wired or wireless siren. We also offer an optional sound and light siren boasting a massive 110 decibel volume combined with a flashing warning light that is sure to scare any intruder away the moment they see or hear it. Power supply is also a worry-free aspect. The panel supports micro USB power input and features a built-in 500 mAh backup battery. While typically used when plugged in, should a power outage occur, the unit can continue to operate for 6–8 hours. Furthermore, it will automatically call and text you to notify you of the power loss, ensuring that your security remains uninterrupted. When the detector's battery is low, the panel will also issue a low battery alert. Please replace the battery promptly. The control panel supports 12 languages, including both text and voice prompts. These languages are Simplified Chinese, English, German, Russian, Spanish, Polish, Italian, French, Portuguese, Greek, Romanian, and Czech. The panel also supports Alexa and Google Home smart assistants, allowing you to control the unit and check its status using just your voice, freeing up your hands for greater convenience. Alexa, disarm my alarm system.
Let's see. What's your voice code for Smart Alarm Touch?
1425.
The Smart Alarm Touch is disarmed.
Okay, Google, set my alarm system to away mode.
Sure. Arming Smart Alarm Touch.
All in all, this panel features an upgraded design and robust functionality, boasting dual connectivity, multi-zone management, and flexible controls, making it an ideal choice for both home use and small businesses.